Welcome to our Oppein Kitchen Cabinet presentation channel. Today we will show you one of 2014 new models.
This modern kitchen is stylish as well as practical. The door panels are all metal foil, which is the best anti-scratch material you can find. To maintain the sleek appearance, we have all the appliances concealed within the design. The fridge is incorporated into the model, and the range hood blends in too. This design includes many open shelves, which will make it easier for you to see and access different things. You can use them as display shelves as well. The varying heights of the two parts make it look like a piece of art instead of just another kitchen counter. The elevated part of the counter is black and the lower part is white. This color combination makes the design look modern. The countertop is made of quartz and acrylic. There are also many cabinets and drawers. On the right, there's a full-length cabinet, and right next to it, as well as on the other side, there are cabinets that open upon being pressed. The drawer pulls and cabinet pulls on those without the press open feature are clean and minimalistic. Finally, we have two very useful features in the sink area. The first is this knife storage unit. After you wash your knives, you simply place them in these slots. The water will drip off onto the bottom of this compartment, and the open sides also allow the knives to dry. The second is this waste disposal compartment. It's conveniently placed next to the food preparation counter, so you can easily sweep the unwanted pieces in. Then, all you need to do is take the pail out to empty and clean it. If you're interested in learning more, you can visit our website at www.oppeinhome.com.